Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. Let's go on to the next question. Okay, will third-party witnesses help or hurt my disability claim to get a check every month? All right, so third-party witnesses are a poison pill or a white knight. They live in the two realms. Very rarely are they in the middle. They're either super pro you or they screw up your claim. All right, let's go ahead and begin. How can they help your claim? They can provide witness statements, like if you have seizures, like what's happening while you're knocked out. They can write stories about showing how your impairments limited your ability to do work or household functions. They could go ahead and basically, do some sort of, they could show up in court and give testimony as to why you are the impaired person that you claim you are. So they could do all these different functions that are beneficial. They could also super duper screw up your claim. How would they super duper screw up your claim? When the SSI sends out a 3380, it's a third-party version of the 3373, which is like stuff that you can do while you are, I have an itch, hold on. Stuff that you can do while you are, at home. And they ask like, okay, do you take care of pets? Can you take care of others? Can you do these different functions? Yada, 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 so on and so forth. And what that equates to is they could throw you under the bus. They could say that you could do all these things that which you can no longer do, or all these things that you kind of do in secret, or all these things that you don't want other people knowing about, or whatever. So in that regard, they can kind of go ahead and really hurt your claim because they can put you in a tough position by giving statements that they will use as credible evidence against you to show that you could potentially go ahead and not be disabled in the national market. You want down, Bubbush? You want down? Let me move the squeaky chair. I know. You want down? Daddy love you so much. Yeah. Whoa, it's a big baby. Okay. So, he was snoring a lot in the last video, but he's so adorable. Oh, goodness. So, how can they hurt you as well? So they can say that you go to events like music events, or that you go to church events, which actually can hurt your claim, or that you cross county lines or travel out of state to go visit family members, which also can hurt your claim. They can state things about how you play video games, watch movies, stuff like that, because they all show your ability to concentrate, and they also show your ability to sit for extended periods, which if you're a hip person, back person, leg person, whatever, that has problems, those impairments, then that could be an issue. So will third-party witnesses help or hurt my disability claim to get a check every month? They absolutely can. Is it where most of them do? No. A lot of judges will see that they're trying to help you, and they'll say that their relationship with you is colored their testimony in relation, and therefore not much weight can be given to their statements because it's not objective evidence, it is subjective evidence. That's what the judges usually play off, third-party testimony when it comes to, what witnesses will say in a hearing room. But the bottom line, just to go ahead and summarize this whole thing, can they hurt you? Yes. Should you worry about it? If you don't know the person and you haven't seen them in a long time and you put them down as somebody that the SSA can contact, that's a problem. Because they don't know who you are nowadays. You could have been fine back then, and now you're super impaired. Know who the SSA is trying to contact. If you aren't told, you can ask them. You can ask the DDS rep, who are you speaking to, other than myself, or if you have an attorney, your attorney can call and find out, that is giving testimony in relation to my claim. And that'll help you understand specifically. And then you can write a notice. Okay, this person hasn't seen me in 2 years. They don't know what's happened to me since then. I was in a car accident, yada, yada, yada. And therefore, any testimony that they give should be barred and or any and all weight withdrawn. Because remember, there's that whole weight of the evidence thing. How much weight are we giving to that evidence to go ahead and push it through to see and compare it against other evidence that's in the national economy that has been provided to the SSA. So there's always that weighing of the evidence situation that you have to watch out for, and yes, they could potentially hurt you. All right. So that is why third-party witnesses could potentially help you or hurt you when applying for Social Security disability benefits. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. It's getting super late. Have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, want the updated information, shoot me an email, give me a call, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.